Hello YouTubers, Manny here from Manny's How To Workshop, and today I'm going to do a review of my Quick Jack by Ranger Products 5000 SLX model car lift. And I'm going to zoom in on the model number here so you can see right there. I don't know if that came up. There we go. It's the BL-5000 SLX model. And I'm going to go over some of the features that it comes with. Alright, starting with the electric hydraulic pump. This one runs on 110 volts. They also have a 12 volt model and a 220 or 240 volt model for overseas. This one also comes with a power cord that is about a little over 9 feet long. It also comes with the switch, the up and down switch, also about 9 feet long. So it's perfect for, you know, any size garage where an outlet, you know, may not be so close. So you got plenty of space for that to go ahead and plug in. It also comes with the hydraulic lines, which you can see here are 12 feet and it's about 12 feet 10 inches from the base. And these two ends here actually connect to the lifts right there. One goes there and the other one goes right there. And what I did also to keep them, just to keep it, you know, the same, I went ahead and marked it with a piece of tape. So on the same line all the way down to the other end is has a piece of tape like that. And then if you see on here, I also put a piece of tape on there. So it's for easy referencing, and it keeps it so that everything is hooked up the same. Because when you hook this up, as you can see, you want these support arms to be on the outside of the lift, not on the inside, for obvious reasons. You can't reach in there once it's, you know, lifted up on the vehicle. So you keep those to the outside so that you can just walk around when it's time to lower it down and lift them up. This is an added feature, this little like a little tab here, so that when it comes back down, it rides right over the little notches that they put in there. And I'll show that once I raise it up. So also, this takes automatic transmission fluid is the fluid they recommend, and I believe Dextron 3 is what I put in mine, and it works very well. Also, another feature that comes with all of them is these little air cylinders here. And what these do, you fill them up to 50 psi of air, as you can see right there, 50 psi. And what they do, they help the jack come back down. In other words, they'll force the piston to come back down, and you'll see that also. And there's one on each side. And all right, moving on down, this system also came with actually 8 lifting blocks of 2 different sizes. The one to my right are 2 inch by 4 inch, 2 inches wide, 4 inches deep, and also 2 inches high. And these are the same dimension, 2 inches wide, 4 inches deep, but 3 inches high. And I will show you, where those get placed also on the lifts themselves. And what you see back here is me making adapter blocks for lifting my Xterra or my truck. And the size of these are height-wise, one set is 8 inches and the other set is 10.5. And the reason there are different sizes is because when lifting my Xterra, I lift it on the frame rails that go up and down the truck. And on the frame rail, it's different heights, and that's the reason why I made them this dimension. They are, let's see, they're about 5.5 inches wide. Yep, 5.5 inches wide and about almost 4 inches across. No, I take it back. About 3.5 inches, which is about the same as these blocks here. And that just gives it more added stability once you set them on the jacks themselves. So, without further ado, let me go ahead and hook it up, and then I'll show you how it works. Okay, one thing I forgot to mention is that this controller also has a magnetic backing here, so that you can stick it to any metal surface and it'll hold it for you. So that's just an added feature that they threw on there, which is kind of cool. So, alright, so basically this is the highest point of my jack, and from floor to the top of this railing here is 17 inches. But the max lifting capacity is obviously this height plus the height of the blocks minus the well, which is about 1 inch high. So what you would do, and if we take these blocks here, you'd set one block there, one block there, and the same thing, and then set one block there, and then one block over here. Okay, now obviously you can move it back and forth. You know, the widest position is what you want for more stability, and also it's based on where the body of your car is. And if you can see on these, they have grooves, which actually, you know, So when the car with that body panel meets, comes down on top of it, this actually will sink in a little bit and actually hugs it and helps to hold it really well. So, like I said, if I take a tape measure, excuse what I'm doing here, but as you can see from the floor to the top of the block is, okay, the sun is, oh, there we go, is about 18.5 from the floor to the top of the block. So with these, that means I can get 18.5 inches. The vehicle can get 18.5 inches off the floor. And, you know, depending how wide, you have all this room in the middle to work on. And most cars being, you know, 6 feet wide, more or less, that's plenty of room to do all kinds of work down there. Because these sit underneath the, what do you call it, the body on the outside. And so obviously with these, for my truck, I can get my truck pretty high off the ground. But then again, the suspension of the truck is pretty high, so it already is, you know, high enough to get under there. So, and the other feature I was talking about is the lock bars. And as you can see here, there's the first position. When it's raising it up, this lock bar will go over it, and then there's a notch right here that's notched like this, and you go past the point, and then you hit the down button, and it comes back down, and it locks itself right there. So that way it takes the pressure off of the system, so you're not actually relying on the pistons to hold the jack up. So these are actually lock, and, you know, cool feature. And so there you are. Review of my quick jack BL-5000 SLX car jacking system. And the next videos, I'm actually going to show you me lifting my little Miata and also my Xterra. Well, thank you for watching, and please rate, comment, subscribe, hit that like button, and also don't forget to hit the little bell button for up and coming videos. Thank you. Have a good day.